So, Ant, we're getting close to KubeCon. For people who don't know who you are, can you tell us about where you work, what you do?
Yeah. Hi, Bart. Hi, guys. My name's Ant. I work in the marketing team at Spectro Cloud. Boo. But the important thing is that I am a long-time attendee of KubeCon. I won't be in Amsterdam myself, but a whole load of us will be. What we do, we like to call ourselves a Kubernetes management platform, but as the years have gone on, we have really expanded. So now we do Edge. We have an AI product. We have products for regulated industries and government and defense. So really anything to do with managing what we call full stack infrastructure, whether you're edge to cloud, that's what we are now.
Fantastic. And I know you mentioned some of the the industries that you're working at. In KubeCon, is anyone from Spectro going to be giving talks?
Yeah, we've got quite a few actually. There's a couple I want to call out. The first is that we are speaking with Airbus Defence and Space at Edge Day, which is on the Monday, all about software supply chain security, which is obviously a really hot topic in our space. The other one I'd call out is our Kairos team, who support the CNCF sandbox project Kairos. They're speaking in the main event with Aurea Imaging, and they're doing a really cool use case with computer vision and AI on tractors in the field. They're an agritech supporting company, so they're using Kairos for immutable, secure edge Kubernetes. So really fantastic, interesting use case. I love it when it's the end users that are talking about how they use the projects. We're a vendor. But we think the story of cloud native is much better told by users. So those are the ones I'd call out.
Can you let folks know what
for this year? So we've got a decent sized booth. Actually, are we a diamond sponsor? I should probably have checked that before I came on this interview. So we have plenty of space. Like I said earlier, we've got a load of stuff that we're really excited to talk about. So whether you're building an AI factory, whether you are doing an immutable edge project like Aurea on a small form factor devices, if you are trying to move away from VMware to use KubeVirt, we've got a product for that. So as VMware migration. And of course, the sort of multi-cluster, multi-cloud, multi-environment Kubernetes management. We've got a really strong story to tell with some really cool customer examples to share. The last thing I'd add is with all the stuff going on here in EMEA around sovereignty and around national IT projects, the whole idea around sort of air-gapped operations and secure, certified management platforms. If you're in that boat, if you're in defense or in public sector, come and have a chat with us about that too.
Great. And people are going to come up and talk to you, but some people also want to get some swag. What kind of swag can people expect? Or are you giving any prizes away at your booth?
We are. We've got our usual swags, stuff like t-shirts and tote bags. But the giveaway this year, we've switched it up from our usual Nintendo Switch, and we're going to be giving away meta glasses like these ones. I believe the new Gen 2. Mine are the older Gen 1s. Obviously, there's an AI tie in there. If you don't need glasses, they make great sunglasses as well.
Perfect. Looking forward to see the Spectro team at KubeCon. Take care.
See you there.